ATCH, stock analysis, price predictions, news. In this 1-minute video, I will show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade. I'm the only guy in this page that's done 47,000 videos over 5 years and documented everything. On top of it, I mean, I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors, right? Like, I have my own data. With ATCH, here's the proof of me calling it out beforehand. It was so nice. It was so nice, really. Like, it's 86 cents at the time. And then came down yet again. Now, guess what, mate? Unless I see this double break, I'm now looking to buy. And relatively speaking, okay, my bad, let's put it this way. Just like that. So all I'm certainly doing in the meantime, waiting for rules. You have to be patient. You know, this looks like a lot of stuff, but if you just can distinguish that this is just needs to give me the confirmation in order for me to move, then it becomes a lot more clearer. So if you want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description.